Hey boys and girls, so today for writer's workshop for writing, we're going to get our journal out, or you can also use a piece of paper, and we're going to create a new writing piece. So I'm going to turn to my next clean page. There we go. And have your markers or your crayons out, and of course your writing utensil. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remember, for your writing, you can pick whatever it is you want to write about. Okay, so I'm going to put my name at the top right here. I'm going to write Miss Diaz and today's date, which is 9, because September is the 9th month, dash 14. Okay, now I'm going to think, what do I want to write about? Well, I'm going to write about my first day of in-person school, okay, and doing virtual at the same time. So I'm gonna write, I'm gonna illustrate first my computer screen with all the little blocks of students, okay. And remember, you don't have to be an artist, just try your very best, okay. And they all have smiley faces because they are happy to be at school. I'll draw Miss Diaz right here. Happy. And then I have some students at their desk with their little iPad, and they're happy too. Draw their little arms there. Draw another student at their desk. Oh, this is my little area where I'm at. My little table area with my laptop and my speakers, so that way everybody can hear. Okay. So once you have something that you want to write about, go ahead and illustrate it. Remember, draw your picture. Now I gotta think of a sentence to go with my drawing. I'm gonna put, let's see, I, make sure we have a space, am happy with all my students. Now remember, when you're writing your sentence, it doesn't have to be super long. It could be really simple. And then to end your sentence, to stop it, you always put a period. Okay. Now you can get your colors and you can color your picture. Okay. My computer is black, so I'm outlining it. So is my little table, the student's desk, and their iPad or Chromebook. Okay. And just color your picture nice and pretty. All right. Miss Diaz didn't finish coloring, but I'll finish on my, whenever I'm off camera, I'll go ahead and finish up coloring my picture. But you make sure that you color your picture nice and pretty, okay? All right. So now for today is we're going to share our writing. That's for today's assignment, okay? So you can talk to your mom, dad, or your siblings, okay? And I'm going to talk to my little piñata here, and I'm going to tell my story. So, my story is that I was happy to see all my students today for the first day of in teaching and virtual teaching at the same time. And that's it, boys and girls. That's all you had to do. All right, boys and girls, can't wait to see your writings. Bye.